Eggs, a universal breakfast favorite, have a fascinating journey from farm to table. But have you ever wondered how these simple yet essential ingredients make their way into our kitchens? From a hen's nest to your breakfast plate, the process is more complex than you might think. So, how do they do it? Our egg journey starts at the farm. Here, hens are the main characters in the story of how eggs are made. Farms dedicated to egg production come in various sizes, from small family-run operations to large-scale facilities. But regardless of size, the focus is on providing the hens with a safe and healthy environment. This means access to fresh water, nutritious feed, and enough space to roam. These conditions are crucial for the quality of the eggs they produce. The feed plays a significant role in this. It's carefully formulated to ensure it contains the right balance of nutrients, helping the hens lay eggs that are delicious and nutritious. Once the hens are ready, they lay eggs almost daily. The eggs are then collected by hand on smaller farms or by automated systems in larger operations. This process is gentle to ensure the eggs are kept intact. After eggs are collected from the farm, they're on to the vital stage of collecting and sorting. Whether collected by hand or through automated systems, the eggs are carefully transported to a facility where they're about to face their first test. Here, the sorting process begins. It's a meticulous procedure where each egg is examined for quality. Modern facilities use advanced technology to handle this task efficiently. Eggs are washed and sanitized, removing any dirt or bacteria, ensuring they're safe for consumption. Eggs are then passed over bright lights, a process known as candling, allowing inspectors to spot any internal flaws or cracks in the shell. Those that don't make the grade are removed. The ones that pass this scrutiny are then sorted by size and weight. It's a precise operation designed to categorize eggs, making sure that when they reach the supermarket shelves, they meet the standards consumers expect. Once the eggs have been sorted, they move on to grading and packaging. Grading is based on both the quality of the eggshell and the interior quality of the egg. This step separates eggs into categories, making it easier for consumers to choose based on their needs. The grading process is rigorous. Eggs are assessed for shell quality, looking for consistency and strength. The interior quality involves checking the egg white and yolk, ensuring they're up to standard. This guarantees that when you crack open an egg, it meets your expectations for freshness and quality. After grading, eggs are packaged with precision. The packaging is designed not just to protect the eggs on their journey to stores, but also provide information. This includes the grade, size, and often the farm origin. Finally, these packages are carefully loaded and shipped out. They're distributed to stores, ready to be picked up by shoppers. Trucks specifically designed for transporting perishable goods are loaded with cartons of eggs. These vehicles are temperature controlled to keep eggs in the perfect condition during transit, safeguarding them against the elements and any potential damage. The distribution network for eggs is vast, spanning from local grocery stores to national supermarket chains. Eggs often reach stores within days of leaving the farm, ensuring they're as fresh as possible when they hit the shelves. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition and a versatile ingredient in the culinary world. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, eggs are an essential part of a balanced diet. They contain vitamin D, crucial for bone health, and choline, which supports brain function. In the kitchen, eggs are a chef's secret weapon. Whether it's binding ingredients together in a cake, adding fluffiness to a soufflé, or creating the perfect emulsion for mayonnaise, eggs play an important role in both simple and complex dishes. Moreover, eggs are a global ingredient, featured in cuisines from every corner of the world. From Italian carbonara to Japanese tamagayaki, eggs cross cultural boundaries, bringing people together through food. They demonstrate how a single ingredient can be transformed in various ways, each dish reflecting the unique flavors and traditions of its origin. From the farm to your breakfast table, the journey of an egg is a tale of nature, nutrition, and culinary versatility. We've cracked open the process, revealing the care and precision that goes into bringing eggs to your plate. As we close this chapter, get ready for our next adventure into the world of soft drinks. How do these bubbly beverages go from simple ingredients to the fizzing delights we love? To find out how soft drinks are made, click here.